Hi, in this session, we will be creating our first model class. So, before that, bring out your VS Code and the emulator. If I press on any product, then in the debug console, you can see all the properties or data it has, and with respect to this, we have to create our model class. So, in the lib folder, let's go and create a new folder called models, and inside it let's create product.dart file. To create a model class, first create a class called product, and now here enter all these datas as instance variables. That is, I will say final int id, then final string title, then price. It's little complicated here, so it's double and all, so I'm not using any data type. After that, we can have final string description, then final screen string, sorry, category, and then final string image. So yeah, these are the data a product will have. Now after that, create a constructor for the same. Now I have to write required, then this dot id, required this dot title, required this dot price, this dot description, this dot category, this dot image. So now we have our product model class. It has all the datas. Now we have to create a function that will accept JSON as input, and then it will return this product object. Now to create it, we simply have to write product dot from JSON. Then it will accept a string with dynamic values called JSON. I will just write JSON, and then it will simply return a product. Now in the product, we will simply have product ID, then title JSON, title, price will be JSON, price, description, JSON description, then category, JSON category, and then finally we have image. So see, these are all the keys which are already mentioned here. This price, category, description, image. Now when we call this function, we will send this data here, and it will give us a product object. That's it. We have successfully created our first model. Now to use it, we have to go to our API services.file, and it's time we do the necessary changes to the function. Know that there are a lot of functions, and but we will start with this get all post function here. First of all, I will just give it a return type of list of product. That's it. So this is the return type. Now simply I will create an empty list at first of products, name it all products, and it will be empty. Now I will have this json.decode body in a variable here, and I will loop through this JSON thing, that is all the products I will loop through and get a particular product here, and simply in the all products I will add product from JSON, and I will send here the JSON. That's it. And in the end, I will return this all products, that is list of products. So what I have done here is, first of all, I have created an empty array which we will pass at the end, and it will contain all the product object. That is, it will be list of product object. Now this JSON response.body will be in the JSON format. It will be in the list of JSON format. So we will simply loop through it and add all the product after converting it via this, that is product that from JSON, inside this list of product, and return this all products. After this, we have to make the changes in the home screen where it's being outputting. So here where we are getting all the products, so this async snapshot will give us now an object, not an object, it will be list of products. So first of all, what I will do is simply create a variable which will hold the index data, that is a single product here. Since it's looping through all the snapshot, it will give us a single product here, and after that we simply have to write product dot title like this. So it's so simple. Product dot image, product dot price dot toString, and then in the end here I will just write product product dot id like this. Let's check if it's working or not. I have restarted the application, but before that, you can just see how easy it is to now output the value. We don't have to write the key again and again. We can just directly use this dot operator and we will get the all the data it consists. Now when I click on this login button, here you will find all the datas which were already there previously, but now we are using models here. So this is a very bare minimum explanation of models and why we use it. And trust me, when you have a lot of data, models will come very handy to you. So in the next video, we will use models for product detail and other pages as well. Thank you.